If you run a retail shop, you already know your business isn't like some generic online blog or personal portfolio site. Your website has to do real work, so bring in foot traffic, move inventory, show off products, and make it easier for people to buy from you without calling the store every 5 minutes. Without a solid website, shoppers will Google you, see nothing impressive, and then head straight to a competitor who looks more professional and easier to buy from. A good retail website should highlight your products, make promotions obvious, and give customers a fast, simple way to shop in-store or online. By the end of the video, you'll know exactly which website builder is the best fit for your retail business and how to move forward with confidence. And if you click away early, there's a good chance that you'll end up wasting money on a platform that holds your growth back for years, and then you probably will just rebuild the site later in the future anyway, so stick around. Retail websites have one main job, which is sell products quickly and clearly. You're not just sharing information, you're moving inventory, running sales, and trying to get people from just browsing to add to cart as fast as possible. That means your site needs clean product pages, easy navigation, smooth checkout, and strong mobile performance so people can buy from their phone while they're just standing in your store or sitting on the couch. Now, if you pick the wrong website builder, you might end up with something that kind of looks nice, but is a nightmare to manage, or worse, it slows down and scares off paying customers. Now, before we move forward here, I have to say, so if you're like me and you just don't have a ton of time to research dozens of website builders and you just want the best option for roughly 99% of retail businesses out there, go ahead and click this link right up here to try it for free with the absolute best pricing offer that I could find if you decide to upgrade in the future. Now, no pressure to click that link right now, of course, but it is going to be there throughout the video if you need it. So next here, let's walk through the specific builders that I recommend and why one of them is probably the right fit for your store. So Wix is the best overall website builder for most retail businesses because it gives you a ton of flexibility without making you feel like you need a degree in web design. If you're running a clothing boutique, a home decor shop, a toy store, or any local retail shop, Wix makes it easy to build a modern storefront online with drag and drop tools, product galleries, and built-in e-commerce features. You can quickly add products, organize them into collections, run discounts, and even sell both in-store and online with integrated POS options in some plans. Retail owners tend to like Wix because it doesn't lock you into one rigid template, right? You can adjust layouts to highlight best sellers, seasonal promos, or clearance items without breaking the whole design. Now, the app marketplace also gives you access to things like email marketing, loyalty programs, and appointment booking if your retail shop offers services too. Pricing is usually in the low to mid monthly range for basic e-commerce and scales up as you need more advanced features, but it does stay reasonable for most small shops. Now, the main limitation for retail is that if you're planning to become a massive e-commerce brand with thousands of products, you may eventually want something that's more advanced. But for most local and small to mid-sized retail stores, Wix will do more than enough and keep things simple. Again, if you want to check out Wix for yourself by creating a completely free account, you can click right up here to sign up and learn more about how they can help you. If you're still not sure whether Wix is truly your best fit, well, stick around because the next option here might be better for a very specific type of retail brand. Squarespace is the best option for retail businesses that care a ton about visuals and branding. Think about boutique clothing stores, handmade jewelry shops, or premium lifestyle brands where the aesthetic really sells the product. If your store relies on beautiful product photos and a very designed feel, Squarespace gives you stunning templates right out of the box that make your shop look like a high-end brand, even if you're still growing. Retail owners, they like Squarespace because it keeps everything clean and consistent. Product pages look polished, the typography is beautiful, and it's harder to accidentally, mess up the design. It includes built-in tools for basic e-commerce, inventory, and simple marketing, and the pricing for online stores typically falls into a similar monthly range as the other major builders out there, with tiers depending on the features. Now, for a smaller catalog and a brand-driven store, it can feel almost perfect. That all said, Squarespace usually isn't as flexible as Wix, so you get less freedom with layout customization, and if you want tons of apps or advanced integrations or more complex e-commerce flows, Wix usually wins. Now, in most cases, Wix will give retail owners more control and options, especially as the business grows. But if you want to check out Squarespace for yourself, there is a link for them in the description below, which will lead you to a special limited time offer that they're running right now for new customers. And if neither, Wix nor Squarespace really feels like the right fit yet, well, the next option here might catch your eye, especially if you're more price sensitive or a bit more tech savvy. Hostinger is a great fit for retail business owners who want to keep costs low and don't mind getting a bit more hands-on with the technical side. It's especially appealing if you're running a small retail shop with a tight budget, or you plan to grow your store and want the flexibility of more traditional hosting without paying premium prices from day one. Now with Hostinger, you can use their website builder or run platforms like WordPress with e-commerce plugins, giving you more control over how your site works. Retail owners like Hostinger because it offers fast hosting, affordable plans, and solid performance, which matters when you have product images and a checkout process that can't lag. Pricing is typically on the lower end compared to most of the all-in-one builders out there, especially if you pay annually, and you can scale up as your site grows. Now, the drawback here is that it's not as plug and play as Wix or Squarespace, so you may need to spend more time setting things up, managing plugins, or tweaking settings if you go the WordPress route, which can be intimidating if you're not very techy. Now, if Hostinger sounds like it's the best fit for you and you do want to check it out, go ahead and check the link in the description below, which will also entitle you to a special deal that they are running right now for new customers as well. But if none of these options feel like a slam dunk yet, and you're still kind of, shopping around, no problem. The next part here of this video will show you exactly what to look for in any website builder so you can make the smartest choice for your retail shop. Now, when you're comparing website builders for a retail store, there are a few key things that you absolutely need to pay attention to. So first, look at e-commerce features. So can you easily add products, manage inventory, set sales, and handle taxes and shipping without a headache? Well, if you sell in-store and online, check if it supports POS or at least integrates well with the system that you use. Second, make sure that the templates and the design options are strong for product-focused sites. You want clean product galleries, easy to read descriptions, and a checkout flow that doesn't confuse customers. Third, mobile optimization is non-negotiable. So a huge chunk of shoppers will visit your retail site from their phone, so your pages need to load fast and look great on smaller screens. Fourth, pay attention to ease of use. So if you're already busy running your shop, you don't want to spend hours each week wrestling with your website. Look for a builder with a really simple dashboard, intuitive editing, and clear support resources. And finally, check pricing and scalability. So it's fine to start on a cheaper plan, but make sure that there's a path to upgrade as your inventory, traffic, and marketing needs grow. If a builder checks all those boxes for your retail business, you're on the right track. Now, at the end of the day, Wix really is the best overall option for most retail businesses because it balances ease of use, customization, and e-commerce features in a way that just makes sense for busy store owners, plus it's affordable. Now, if you've ever felt frustrated because your current site looks outdated, is hard to update, or doesn't really help you sell more products, Wix can solve a lot of those problems without forcing you to become a web developer. So if you're ready to finally get a professional retail website that actually supports your business, you can click right up here to create a completely free account and start building. Now, if you have any questions for me or you're a little bit confused about something, no problem at all. Just go ahead and drop me a comment below and I will personally reply back to you as soon as possible. As always, thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.